welcome to the second video for this week. You'll find that it is almost identical to the first video from this week. Make sure if you haven't watched the other video that you watch the other video first because this one will be really easy if you've watched video 1. So last time we looked at percentage increase using a calculator. Today we're going to look at percentage decrease using a calculator. So it's really important that we write that this is our calculator method because sometimes it's on the calculator paper, in which case we can do this. Sometimes it's on the non-calculator paper, so we have to use another method. But it's really important that we know this method. There's lots of marks at stake, and it's something that you can get really, really good at. So I'm going to go straight in with an example, and you're going to see that it is so similar to percentage increase. There is, in fact, only one difference. Okay, so let's have a look. So this time, instead of the shop wanting to increase the price of everything, the shop maybe has a sale. So you know when you go into a shop and it says 25% off, that is a percentage decrease of 25%. So they've taken all the prices and they've reduced all the prices by 25%. So let's have a look. Let's do another money example. So let's decrease £84 by 24%. It's a bit of a random sale. Something did cost £84 and the price is being decreased by 24%. Can you remember what step 1 was from the last video? If you can, you'll notice that this is going to be exactly the same. Percentage, remember, means out of 100. So we're going to do our percentage and we're going to divide it by 100. Remember, you might get a fraction. We press the SD button, so 0.24. I'm going to write some notes just like I did last time. And you're going to see that the notes are really similar. So I'm going to do my percentage and I'm going to divide it by 100. That's what we did last time. If you think back to last time, our next line was 1 plus our answer. The only difference in this method is that our next line is going to be 1 minus your answer to the first part. So if you're not 100% sure, I don't mind you using a calculator this week. I've got a fraction, press the SD button. That gives me 0.76. So last time, if you look, we did 1 plus our answer from the first part. Well, this time, we're going to do 1 minus our answer. And that's the only difference in this method. So this is the answer from the first part. So that's the only difference. I do 1 minus that. It's really important that you do the 1 first. So it's either 1 plus for increase or 1 minus your answer for decrease. And then just like in the last one, what did we do? We did our answer to this part and we times it by 420, which was the amount. So we did our answer times amount. And that is exactly what we're going to do here. So I'm going to do my answer, which is 0.76. I'm going to times it by my amount, which is 84. Now, hopefully, when we type this in, we'll get an answer that's smaller than 84, because we're having a sale. We want the prices to be cheaper. So 0.76 times 84. That's another nasty fraction. Press the SD button. There we go. £63.84. Make sure you write down all the decimals. So 63.84. And then remember that I suggested that somewhere we write what our answer is. So answer equals, and I'm dealing with money, 63.84. So what did we do here? We did 2 things times together, didn't we? We did our answer to step 2. And we times it by the amount. Like that. Okay, so you'll notice that it is almost identical. The only difference is this minus sign here. Okay, That is the only difference. I'll whiz through one more example and then you can get on with some questions. So let's have a look at decrease. Let's do another money one. £120 by 80%. So this is a really big clearance sale. It was £120 and they're trying to get rid of it. They were going to reduce the price by 80%. So percentage divided by 100, that will give me 0.8. Then I'm going to have 1, and because it's a decrease, I'm going to have 1 minus 0.8, which is going to give me 0.2. And then I'm going to do my answer to that, and I'm going to times it by my amount, which is 120. And then let's see what that gives us. 0.2 times 120, 24. So whatever this thing is, it used to cost £120, and they've taken off 80% of the price, and it now costs £24. So that's it for the week now. You just need to have a look at worksheet 2, and then that's you done for the week. Great work, folks. As always, get in touch if you need any help. And I'd love to see your work so I can give you some achievement points.